Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Xbox One tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste on your Xbox One. This can be very useful if you're going to be copying like a PM message or maybe a URL on your Xbox One, and then you can paste it into a new tab or an application all on your Xbox One. You don't have to have a keyboard or anything hooked up to your Xbox One. You could simply use your Xbox One controller. All right, so I'll be doing this inside the Edge browser, but you can really do this in just about anything you want to where you're using text. So first we can highlight text by simply going over it. You'll see the cursor come up, then select the A button on your controller, and then you can move the cursor and that will drag and highlight the text that you're dragging over. You can also double tap to highlight a word or triple tap to highlight the entire paragraph like this. So right like that. So now that I've highlighted Chromebook, what I'm going to do to actually copy this text, I need to use the menu button on my controller, which is the button right next to the X button that has 3 horizontal lines. So I'll use that. It's going to come up with the options to copy the text. Then to paste it, I would just do the same thing, use the menu button, go to paste. I can also select paste and search. So I'll go to paste, and then it will paste whatever I copied on my Xbox One. All right, so that's how you copy and paste on an Xbox One. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Xbox One tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.